Hey, you hear the birds chirping. It's time for a new video. Wait, explain to them what we got today.
Well, guys, we got a brand new part. We got a Catless downpipe that's gonna go on this bad boy today.
This is your first official car part paint or ever, huh? First time you ever actually bought something? Or so yeah, I'm just gonna be taking a seat today, as you can see.
No, you ain't. No, you
So
ain't.
I'm gonna be strictly filming only, and he's gonna install his downpipe by himself. Challenge.
No,
So he already started. Here, let me show you.
yeah, guys, we're gonna have to take this strip bar off
Mm-hmm.
to get to remove this intake, so we can get to the freaking O2 sensors down there. So let's see how long it takes us, bro.
Us? Let's see how long it takes you.
My God, bro.
You got a mean old. Like, I can barely see it, but look at this. Look at these welds. Do those welds look good to any welders out there? Let us know. It's pretty fire. Yeah, the car is jacked up, bro. Bro, you have a jack stand under there. I already know, bro.
Damn, I didn't do it.
The B58 is taken apart now. Just kidding. It's exposed.
Damn, they put some gloves on or something.
Gloves.
Bro,
But this is HUD mechanic, bro. We don't need gloves, bro. This is as a HUD mechanic, bro.
you got to, bro.
Why?
So you can work with me, bro.
I'm not working with you, bro.
Bro, I'm not gonna do this shit by myself, bro. Like, straight up.
Guys, leave in the comments. Can he do this by himself? Yes, he
No,
can.
I can, bro.
Hype him up in the comments. I know you guys were hyping him up when he got the Supra. Now I gotta hype him up to actually install parts on his car and be confident within his inner mechanic, his inner hood mechanic.
This dead ass hood mechanic right now, bro.
Do not bring your car to him, bro. Guys, how was it gonna work? Look at this. He cooked me, man. He lied to me.
Hey.
Hey, whoa, we're twinning right now,
Hey.
though. We're dead ass twinning right now.
He dead ass thought he wasn't gonna do anything.
You owe me food, though.
I got you.
Just paying it, bro. There, y'all saw it. Lock it in. So after this fool struggled to take these sensors off, I took it off for him. Oh, she's not looking. So what's next, son? Is this for the hard part right now?
Yeah.
Bro's already sweating dirty. Nah. And it was 2 clips barely. We're done. Hey, we're done, so.
Yeah, guys. We're gonna go under the car.
He's gonna go under the car. Hey, Loki, that's not enough room for you, bro.
Fuck you.
Look at your windshield fluid right here. Man, they just putting shit anywhere at this point, bro. Bro's whole body is under the car right now.
Bro, I'm dead ass like squished as fuck under, bro.
By the way, guys, this is not an instructional video.
It's not, bro.
This is just us sharing our time, you know, installing this. I had to bring the drill for him so we can get this install done quick.
Yeah. Clamp this.
You can't really see, but I'm trying to get these angles.
Hey, give me that shit. I'll show them what's up.
It's recording already.
Guys, I just took this off right here. This 13 millimeter.
Man, you started already for it.
One right there, another one right there. I can't zoom in, guys, right now because my hands are stuck. And then I got the V clamp that I gotta take off. It's up there, and we might have to take it off on the top of the car, guys. And then that'll be all. And then we're gonna wiggle this motherfucker out, and boom. Let's see how long it takes us, cause I'm fucking dying.
I don't know if you can see that, but nah, you can't see that. But bro's going. Oh, you can see the wrench going to work right there. So, I was just doom scrolling on my phone right now. It's 6:20. That took him approximately 6 minutes.
Yeah, I took out the 3. I took out.
God damn, what you did? What'd you take out, bro? Speak to him, son. Speak to them.
I took the 3 nuts that are holding the clamp. Wait, one of them's holding the clamp. The other one is that's screwing onto the freaking frame or whatever.
Damn.
And then.
Bro, like he just did a fucking motor swap. How dirty he is, bro.
Guys, so right now he is trying to take off the freaking nut that is on the
Bro, it's hot.
On the V clamp. Neta?
Yeah. I just burned my knuckles.
Fuck, you got first degree burn, bro.
I rested my knuckle. Son.
God damn, bro.
You did it though. Bro, you look like you just went through fucking war, bro. Look at this.
Holy shit, bruh. We got this shit out.
Yeah, we were just struggling, but bro, this airbox literally just pops off. Look. Then we got all that space. We were all struggling for no reason, bro. Come on. Oh, look. The difference. It's just shiny. With fingerprints on it, bro.
Look, I'm gonna have to wipe it down that time.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna just transfer the stuff over. Like the O2s. That's it. Alright, guys. So we transfer the O2 sensors to here. You see, it's on you. We're gonna wipe it down. By the way, this is a Phantom, I don't know, Downpipe or something. You got it for a sick ass deal. If you can, because either way you're gonna put your hands on it. So you want to wipe it down, probably better on the car already.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna get touched.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a little clamp right there. We didn't fully tighten it, just so he has play to connect the bottom side, I guess, of the downpipe. So he's gonna be doing that right now, and then at the very end, that's where we're gonna tighten this clamp, so it pretty much just holds it there. But right now it's kind of snug. It just takes forever because it's like in a weird spot. We moved the airbox, so the airbox literally just sits in like a pocket. It's kind of weird. There's like no bolts, because this shield right here is what kind of makes it difficult. It like rubs on your hand. But we'll come back to you when it's all bolted down. Shouldn't take too long, I don't think. Just kind of take some finessing. All right, guys. So we finished everything up. I put the airbox back, the two O2 sensors. So. Oh, Josh, I don't know, did I record you? Yeah, right?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, well, Josh is here.
Josh is here.
We're gonna hear this exhaust right now.
Ready?
That's it.
Pop that shit. Ready? Yeah.
Alright guys, y'all heard how loud it was, but it kind of toned down. We're gonna check for exhaust leaks, but dude, how was it in the car?
That shit was loud.
It was loud, huh?
Yeah.
That's just loud, bro. Bro, I told bro, he looks like he just did a whole like engine swap, transmission swap.
Oh,
Hey, how do you put this shit back on?
It should just like sit on, bro. Like, oh. Bro, do a fit check right now, bro. Turn around. Bro, they could have sworn you just took like the whole chassis up, like.
On the fucking slides.
Damn.
It's just cooked.
The easy slides are cooked, bro.
It's just fried.
Hey, holy shit, that shit was loud as hell, bro.
Well, look at that, because it's in an enclosed area. But fuck.
Hey, that shit was loud as hell.
Bro.
Holy shit.
Damn. I'm actually low-key shocked at how loud that shit was. I didn't think it would be that much louder, but. I mean, because that's a mean-ass cat, too. And that's just straight pipe.
Yeah. It's basically straight pipe.
Your whole car's straight pipe right now, actually.
Well, the exhaust is straight pipe. No fucking cats or fucking whatever it is, resonator, bro. Nothing, bro. Bam, good.
Just what are your honest thoughts on this mod right now, bro? Was that crazy loud?
That's just crazy loud. Especially in the fucking alley.
Bro, I know.
It's gonna echo throughout the whole neighborhood, bro.
Bro, you're dead. Your apartment might vibrate.
Oh god. Don't feel like a fucking earthquake, man.
For real, bro. But hey, it sounded nice though. Oh, I actually want to hear how it sounds like out on the freeway or something, bro.
Oh,
That shit gonna be yelling at us.
Hell yeah.
Okay, he needs a tune though. Bro,
What the fuck?
y'all hear this? It was like a national alarm going on, but it's
All the
just.
animals, bro.
I think another cold start right now. But I think it's so loud. I think it's so loud. Damn.
Well, you can smell straight gas, man.
Yeah.
That shit quieted
But it
down.
calms down though. Bro, that thing is loud.
Fuck was was that? You heard that?
I don't know. It's like valve. What do you guys think of this fucking car, bro? Holy. It hasn't even been a month. It's already voided warranty, bro. Sheesh. We're about to end the night with some food. But low-key, I want to hear like how it sounds, like hitting the gas and shit, like just driving away. Holy, that sounds crazy. All right, I'm gonna hop in my car and we're gonna dip. All right, wait, my shit now. It's just not as loud, bro. Sport mode. Bro, I think I'm gonna have to go headers now on the show because y'all hear that? Let me see if I can get this. Bro, it sounds crazy. Bro, the turbo spool is so crazy now. Holy. The spool is crazy.
Is it loud?
The spool, yeah. How you feel?
Bro, this is fucking crazy.
Is it crazy loud like inside the car?
Yeah.
Alright guys, if you know this spot too well, this is actually like an OG spot. We used to always come here. We haven't came here that often anymore. Oh, we don't come that often anymore. But we're gonna go to Target real quick and then we're gonna grab some food and probably just end off the video because we're gonna have to get some driving clips like another time. When I'm not driving, damn, I park so bad. Holy, look at this.
Here, cause you know, guys, we got this shit done. The install's complete of the freaking downpipe. It's catted, right, guys?
Yeah, it's legal downpipe.
It's catted.
Oi.
It's catted. That shit sounds insane.
And we live in Mexico too, so
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It might be all around, but everywhere or whatever. But I hope you guys at least enjoyed it and you guys had a good time watching the video with us. You know,
If you liked any part of this video, leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You got
I had to take over. Hold on.
Neta.
But yeah, guys, a lot more SUPRA content to come. I mean, it's not even been a month, and it's already fucking no warranty, bro. That's all I can say, bro. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy the SUPRA content. I know a lot of people enjoy the SUPRA content.
Guys,
check out the previous 2 videos.
subscribe, like, comment.
Bro, we've actually got a couple new followers. We have like 918. So
Yeah.
all the 918 subscribers that we have, thank you so much.
That's
Get us to
fucking
1,000, and I don't know, maybe we'll do something crazy. But yeah, so we're just gonna be posting a lot more content. Like I said, Jose's gonna fix his car soon. Hopefully he gets that up, and we all just go cruise.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fire. But it's gonna be it for today's video. One more time, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And we're out. Peace.